best way to prepare for 2024 is to 10x your income and hustle it out through one of the most demanding economic times yet to be seen. The economic recession will begin in 2024. It will be even worse than the Great Depression experienced in 1929. I know it, you know it, we all know it. Even he knows it. The question is, what should we do about it? The world is shifting into new opportunities to work online, and we've listed some of our favorite ideas for you to survive and thrive through the upcoming recession. Remember the guy from Art Attack? He is your answer to this new idea. Embarking on a side hustle by selling handmade crafts or paintings online is a fantastic opportunity for individuals on a tight budget seeking additional income streams. You can use platforms like Instagram and Etsy to provide a user-friendly and affordable system for artisans and crafters to showcase and sell their unique creations to a global audience. This idea is the answer to transforming your hobbies into a profitable business. Whether you decide to sell personalized jewelry, custom artwork, or handmade home decor, selling handmade crafts caters to a wide range of handmade products. This side hustle allows you to monetize your artistic skills and provides a fulfilling way to share your craft with appreciative customers worldwide. Selling handmade crafts proves that a touch of creativity is more than enough to turn your passion into a thriving small business. Set up your shop, showcase your creations, and let the world see the magic you can make with your hands. Have you ever wondered what is better than benching or squatting 225 pounds? Get paid for it. Folks are increasingly prioritizing their physical and mental health. This new trend is causing the fitness industry to continuously grow at outstanding rates and open the door to creating a lucrative space for passionate individuals. With the convenience of online platforms, you can reach a global audience, expanding your client base and income potential. In a world where well-being is a top priority, embarking on a fitness coaching side hustle in 2024 is a rewarding and personally fulfilling business idea, where you play a role in helping others achieve their health and fitness goals. So if you're passionate about fitness and ready to turn your expertise into a profitable venture, now is the perfect time to explore the world of fitness coaching as a rewarding and sustainable side hustle. Education is the best asset someone can have. If you dominate a specific subject, you can have a gold mine waiting to explode. This idea allows you to monetize your skills, but also provides an opportunity to impact others by sharing valuable insights. Whether you're an expert in photography, language learning, or any niche topic, online course creation offers a chance to turn your skills into a profitable business venture. With the rise of online learning platforms like Teachable and Udemy, creating and selling courses has become more accessible than ever before. You can even scale it further by offering one-to-one tutoring services online for premium membership. Why not? The sky is the limit. All it takes is passion, expertise in a particular subject, and willingness to share your knowledge. The minimal upfront costs involve video recording equipment, a computer, and some editing software. The digital classroom awaits. There's an audience hungry for what you know. Have you ever dreamt about traveling the world, choosing your hours, and making money? This idea is probably the best low-budget answer for you. You can offer your skills as a freelancer in areas such as writing, accounting, language translation, graphic design, social media management, web development, and digital marketing. With minimal upfront costs, all you need to do is make this idea work, use a computer, some stable internet connection, and some passion. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Instagram, and Facebook, and many more websites provide a virtual marketplace where businesses and individuals seek talented freelancers for different projects. You can find clients looking for content creation, blog posts, social media management, bookkeeping, and fulfill many needs around the marketplace. Your next gig is just a DM away. You can become a freelancer and choose your projects, set your rates, and work on a schedule that suits your lifestyle. This low barrier entry allows aspiring freelancers to transform their skills into a lucrative income source. Freelance services stand out as a great opportunity, especially for those operating on a tight budget and seeking additional income streams. In an era where remote work is increasingly growing, thanks to COVID, your unique skills can attract clients worldwide. Show off your skills and who knows, your work could become the face of the next big brand. The economy's hottest ticket in 2024 is becoming a VA, or virtual assistant. You can forget about the 9-to-5 grind and welcome the freedom of the virtual realm. This is not just a side hustle, it's your golden ticket. to extra cash without breaking a sweat. Picture this: you, your laptop, and a world of possibilities at your fingertips. You can work from the beach, the coffee shop, or even in your comfy pajamas because, let's face it, who needs to dress up when you're rocking the virtual runway? The world is your office, and you make the rules. And the best part, the earning potential is as limitless as your imagination. It all depends on you. You can maximize your time and skills and turn clicks into cash. Whether it's managing calendars, answering emails, or even crafting the perfect witty response, you're the wizard behind the virtual curtain. In the lucrative world of virtual assistants, the more you put in, the more you get out. If you're ready to level up your side hustle game, dive into the VA universe. It's not just a gig, it's really a lifestyle. And in 2024, the hustle is real. The money is digital, and success is just a click away. Just like how you're also a click away from subscribing to our channel and watching our next episode here at Executive Media. See you next time.